The difference between top performers and bottom performers is one thing. The top performers are amazing at problem solving. That's the main thing. When a challenge comes to them, they interlock with the challenge, and you know what they do? They take it on directly. They actually move forward. They don't step back. They don't do things. They actually take on, they engage. And when they do that, they don't allow things to sit in the background. I'm going to put this challenge on the shelf. Then I'm going to put another one on the shelf. Then I'm going to put another one on the shelf. And they pile on. No, they take it on. They solve it. Once they solve it, they grow. When they grow, they actually build confidence. When you build confidence, now what's going to happen to you in the future? You're going to get to a point where you have built general confidence. And general confidence is you unleashing your ability on the world.